Now that modern blast furnaces in steelworks use double cones for charging, the demand for a baling press to produce small tube bales has greatly increased. It was for this reason that Fielding and Platt have designed, constructed and installed numerous cube baling machines at various scrapyards. The intention of this film is to show how high outputs are achieved from a properly designed baler, sited in such a way that material handling is made simple. Fieldings realized that much time was normally wasted shearing large pieces of scrap and double filling. They have therefore so constructed this machine that large pieces will go straight into the baler and that baling will commence immediately with a fast closing lid. Thus, no time is wasted in heavy-duty shearing. Initial compression is by means of the fast-closing lid. Secondary compression is by means of a ram head, the full width of the box, and operated by a cleverly designed toggle mechanism, giving extremely fast approach. A final compression and discharge is by a long-stroke high-pressure ram of 83 tons power. This provides for a high-density bale. You will see that as each bale is ejected up an inclined ramp, sufficient power is available from the final ramp to push these bales straight into a railway truck or any other vehicle. The cycle of the machine is semi-automatic and enables the operator to assist in the loading of the hopper for the next cycle as soon as the start button is pushed. Notice the size of the pieces which go straight into the baler. Scrap comes in by railway, by road vehicles, and by other methods. Hey, what about my friend? Oh well, I had it insured. If shearing is required, it can be done with the front of the lid, where there are the usual hardened steel shearing edges. But this is seldom necessary since most pieces are contained within the box. The installation consists of a high-pressure hydraulic pump, a combined valve desk containing hydraulic valves, and also the air servo operating equipment. All very accessible. On top of the desk, there are the individual manual control buttons and a lever for hand control or automatic cycle. All movements of the press are controlled by air valves to give the correct sequence of baling. These are fully protected from breakage and dirt. The machine is capable of handling all types of scrap encountered in a yard, from general scrap to specialized sheet clippings. And due to the size of the baler box, no packing of the scrap is necessary to ensure a full box. A final bale is always 12 inches square, but can vary from 4 inches to 18 inches long. A bale is produced every 50 seconds of the baler's working day, giving an average of 3 3/4 tons per hour. All fielding balers are backed up by a regular maintenance scheme covering the whole of Britain. Our fitter will visit your baler 4 times a year and spend a complete day on it. He will carry out a regular maintenance, covering all the points of the baler and making all necessary adjustments. This prevents time-wasting breakdowns. It enables us to anticipate any worn parts and also keeps us in contact with our customers. Fieldings have wide experience on all types of baling presses. This experience and our full range of literature giving much useful information will be gladly given on request.